Assalamualaikum. This is Yumna Cooking Creation. Today I am making kunafa especially for Eid, and it is another big dessert. For kunafa, first we prepare sugar syrup, then we prepare semolina pudding, and at the last we prepare kunafa crust. For sugar syrup we require half cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of RoseWater, and half teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. For semolina pudding we require half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of semolina, and half a teaspoon of cornstarch. For kunafa crust we require 250 grams of kunafa dough and half cup of melted butter. For cheese filling we require 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1.5 cup of mozzarella cheese. Now we are preparing sugar syrup for kunafa. First we add water, then we add sugar, then we add RoseWater, and at last we add lemon juice. We mix little bit so the sugar melts. We make the syrup on a low flame and leave it until the syrup becomes thick. Now we are preparing semolina pudding. First we add the milk, then we add sugar, then we add semolina and cornstarch, and mix it well. On a low flame. As the semolina pudding becomes thick, we turn off the stove. To make it more delicious, we add 2 tablespoons of cream in semolina pudding. Mix it well. Now we prepare kunafa crust. For this we add melted butter in the kunafa crust and mix it well. After mixing the butter, we divide the kunafa dough into 2 portions. First we grease the pan. After grease the pan, we put 1 layer of kunafa dough. First we press the kunafa dough well. Now we layer it with semolina pudding. We cover the kunafa dough well with the semolina pudding. Now we add sugar in the mozzarella cheese, mix it well and lay it on semolina pudding. Now we do the layering. Now we cover it with the next layer of kunafa dough on a mozzarella cheese. After preparing the kunafa, we leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, and afterwards we bake it in a preheat oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes until it is golden brown. Now we put the kunafa dish in a preheat oven and leave it for 30 to 35 minutes or until it is golden brown. Now our sugar syrup is ready and we turn off the stove. To give the color to the kunafa, we add little yellow color in the sugar syrup. Mix it well. Now kunafa is ready and we take it out from the oven. We add syrup to the kunafa. Garnish the kunafa with pistachio. Now our yummy and delicious kunafa is ready to serve.